In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change sheet names in Smartsheet. Renaming your sheets is a simple way to keep your workspace organized and make it easier for your team to quickly find what they need. In this walkthrough, I'll show you two different ways to rename a sheet, directly from the Smartsheet home or workspace view and from inside the sheet itself. Let's start from your Smartsheet home screen or workspace. First, look through your list of sheets and select the one you want to rename. This might be a project sheet, a task tracker, or any other sheet you're working with. Take a moment to make sure you've clicked the correct one, especially if you have several sheets with similar names, like multiple copy of versions. Once you've located the sheet you want to change, move your mouse over its name and right-click. This will open a context menu with several options related to that sheet. From this menu, look for the option labeled Rename and click it. When you do this, a small dialog box will appear, or the sheet name will become editable, allowing you to type a new name. Now, carefully type in the new sheet name you want to use. Try to choose something clear and descriptive so that you and your collaborators can immediately understand what the sheet is for. When you're happy with the new name, click OK to confirm the change. The sheet list will refresh and you'll see the updated name in place. You can also rename a sheet from inside the sheet itself. To do that, open the sheet by clicking directly on its name in your home screen or workspace. Once the sheet is open, look at the very top of the window where the current sheet name is displayed. Click directly on that name. It will become editable and the text will be highlighted. With the name highlighted, simply start typing your new sheet name. Because it's already selected, anything you type will replace the old name immediately. Again, choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose of the sheet or the project it belongs to. When you're done typing, press Enter on your keyboard to save the new name. Both methods achieve the same result, so use whichever feels more natural in your workflow. Whether you rename from the sheet list or from within the sheet, keeping your sheet names organized will make navigating Smartsheet faster and more efficient for you and your team.